this social media age, where everyone scrolls through their feed and all of that, you must inevitably see one of those crypto gurus with their expensive watches and flashy cars and all of that. Somewhere, planning to embark on such a journey with just $10 a dream. Well, I'm here to encourage you. As Mark Twain once said, the secret to getting ahead is getting started. So for today's video, we'll be getting us started on sharp, quick strategies for beginners to level up their portfolios in this bull run. So stay with me. This is going to be really educative. So let's jump right in. First strategy on our list is the infamous hodling. We hodl for dear life. So the institutionals do not take our bags at lower prices, and we go home with losses, going to lick our wounds and all of that. So the very first strategy I always push out to beginner traders is to hodl and know the time to hodl. Okay, so you need to learn a lot more about cryptocurrencies and their cyclical movements according to Bitcoin cycle, because Bitcoin pioneers the entire move. So you need to really focus on the timing as to know when to hodl and to know when to sell. So hodling is one of the best strategies because it helps you, limit your exposure to leverage and risk of liquidation rather. And it just helps you, to be able to be calm and, not to make impulsive decisions. So when you buy crypto on the spot market, you hodl it in your centralized wallet. If you buy it on a decentralized exchange, you hodl it in your centralized wallet. So you just hold the cryptocurrency long term. When you are satisfied with profits, you sell for profits. And you take your money out of the market to buy your Lambo, okay? Then the second strategy on our list is DCA, dollar cost averaging. Okay, and I'll be sharing with us a special tip I just learned myself on dollar cost averaging. So dollar cost averaging simply means buying into the market in portion, not going all in, like gamblers go at a casino, just go all in. No. With DCA, let's say you want to buy Bitcoin now. You share your orders, okay? So you're buying Bitcoin at 40,000, 35, 30,000, the amount of Bitcoin you're buying at these prices. So you set your bought buy orders at these prices to the quantity which you want to buy. This helps to give you a good average entry price into the market when the market is retracing and going down. So the tip I learned recently is buying into the market at every 30% retracement you get from a high. So let's say Bitcoin moves from like 40,000 to like 70,000. When Bitcoin retraces like 30% from 70,000 downward, you just make an order. If from where you buy at that 30%, it retraces another 30%, you just buy. So that way you get an, let's say, even or average entry into the market, so that when the price starts going up, you'll be able to see profits early. So this is also one of the strategies that have proven to be effective over the years. Institutionals even use dollar cost averaging for their portfolios and asset management. So do well to read more about dollar cost averaging. Then the next strategy is using stop loss orders. Okay, so what stop loss orders do is they help you to limit your losses in the market by selling your crypto at a predetermined price at a predetermined loss. Okay, so the loss you'll be willing to take will have to be in your risk tolerance. So like someone like me now, I've been trading the market for a long period of time. I have high risk tolerance. I've lost like several $1,000s in a day, and I still go about my day. In other days, I just feel, man, this could have gone better, but it's one of these things in the market. So according to your risk tolerance, let's say, okay, as a beginner, you don't have that much of a stomach for risk. Let's say in your $500 portfolio, you can only afford to lose like 10% or let's say 20%. So you make calculations, you make stop loss orders, you set stop loss orders at predetermined level that okay, when these levels come, I sell out and wait and observe to see if I can buy into the market lower. Okay, so this helps to really limit risk for beginners. Then last but not least on the list is researching and diversification, which I call AKA the shotgun approach. Do not put all your eggs in a basket. So you need to make more research to know, okay, what are the market trends, what's moving the markets, and all of that. You need to have all of these things in mind. So I always advise us, DYOR. Do your own research. Do not be a lazy trader. For you to get to those levels where you have the watches and the cars, you need to always do your research and always be ready to work. Then you need to diversify your portfolio. Okay, so let's say we have 5 or 4 active narratives in the market. You want to pick the top performers in each crypto narrative you are seeing in the market. Let's say there is AI, there is gaming, there's Ethereum layer 2s, and there is RWA, real world assets, and all that. So you want to pick the best performing assets in these categories of narratives. You just allocate according to the best performing. And if you feel this particular narrative is going to outperform this or that, that's where you should be, in my opinion, heavily invested in all of that. So you need to do your calculation according to your risk management and risk tolerance. I also made a video about risk management and all of that earlier. So make sure you go back into older videos in the channel and you make sure you watch those videos to be educated. So yes, do not put all your eggs in one basket. Always diversify your portfolio. And one tip I will give to us, in this bull run, if you see that out of 20 projects you have, and let's say 15 are doing well, 5 are just lagging behind and all of that, please do not hesitate to sell those coins off and put them into the ones that are performing better. Okay, those projects will just be dead weights to your portfolio. So I'm just putting it out there for us. Okay, so these are all the strategies I have for us today. So do well to watch older videos if you still want some more content and deeper insights. And also please subscribe to the channel and also subscribe to our Telegram channel. We're dropping a lot of amazing calls. So if you are not in that channel, I don't know what you're doing. My brother, you're sleeping on a bicycle. That being said, love you all. See you in the next video. Stay rich, stay profitable. Peace.